Hi dear students, today I'll teach you service of spirits with mixers. So here is a setup done here for 1 packs, and here is a sideboard setup. I kept all kind of spirits here and some of the mixers. So brandy is kept here, rum, whiskey, gin, vodka. These are some of the spirits which I kept here, and these are all mixers here. 7-Up, Pepsi, tonic water, soda, even water is a mixer. So these are the mixers. So today I'm going to teach you how to serve the spirit with the mixers. And for that salvo setup is, you have an ice bucket with ice cubes in it, with ice tongs, three costers, 2 decanters, one for the spirit and one for the mixer, and finally a 12-ounce Tom Collins glass with a Swisser stick in it. For any spirit with the mixers, you need to use a Tom Collins glassware. I don't use any other glassware. So this is standard glassware for the mixed drinks. A Tom Collins 12-ounce glass with a Swisser stick in it already. You should not keep it in front of the guest. It's already kept in the glassware like this way. So this is the salvo setup for spirit with mixers. You need to have Vedas cloth and a jigger or peg measurer, 60 ml, and this is 30 ml. Next step is take the order. Take the order from the guest. So here the guest has ordered for 60 ml of vodka with soda. So I'm gonna keep only the soda and the vodka here. Rest all things I'm keeping it beside. We don't require this one. So the guest has ordered for 60 ml of vodka with soda. So I'm taking a decanter here. Vodka. 60 ml of vodka. I'm just pouring the vodka in the decanter. Now take next decanter, open the soda, pour it. Now take the salvo, go to the guest, stand at the corner of the table, right hand side of the guest, and then keep the costers in the right hand side of the water goblet. Keep the Tom Collins glass here. You have to ask the guest how many ice cubes he would like to have. Excuse me sir, how many ice cubes would you like to have? So the guest said 3 ice cubes. So I am going to put 3 ice cubes in the glass. 1, there comes 2, and a broken 3. Since it's broken, I'm just putting one more small ice cube. Alright, put the ice cube, then put the drink, the vodka. And finally the mixer. In case if the guest stops in between, stop pouring it. Okay. In that case, you have to keep the coaster right here. and then keep the decanter with the mixer. In case if any drink is left out in the decanter, you have to keep this as well on the table. This is optional actually, this is in case if anything is left out in the decanter. But right now there is nothing left in the decanter, you don't have to keep it on the table, I'm just showing it. But here the guest stopped you, he told me not to pour more of mixers, so I'm keeping the mixers right on the table. And that's it. So that was the service of spirit with the mixers. Now if the guest wants me to refill it, I can just refill it. If guest wants help himself, he can help himself. So no issues at all. But that was service of spirits with mixers. Now the clearance. So take a salver and go towards the table. Salver away from the guest. Clear the glass. Keep it towards you. Clear the costers, the decanter, and finally costers, and you're done. But in some restaurants and all, they keep everything on the table. They will keep the ice bucket here. They will keep the mixers over here. So in some hotels they keep the soda right away on the table. That can happen. So in some restaurants and all, they keep the decanters of the drink. So for example, you have 490 ml of milk. So here comes 60 and 30 ml of milk. Just for pouring. Just can keep everything on the table. It doesn't matter. But here we are not doing all these things. It's actually a hotel's policy what is supposed to be done. Or if the guest requests, like you have to keep the ice bucket on the table. But you can keep the ice bucket on the table with the ice drops in that case. So these are our situations. But right now for our practicals, we are not doing all these things. Clear? So in other restaurants and pubs and all, they may ask you to keep these things on the table. You can keep. I hope it's clear. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me anytime. And thank you so much.